2002 Ford F250. It's a crew cab Lariat, two-wheel drive with 7.3. I already went ahead and deleted the muffler, and I did a 6637 air filter on it. Other than that, the truck is bone stock. The truck is really clean. It's got a couple little dents. Headlights are a little fogged up. Other than that, the truck's almost spotless. For a 2002 model with it's got 287,000 miles, I would say the truck was pretty well kept. One problem is it got the the door handle knocked off at some point. It's got a little gash right there, but I mean that can be fixed. Here's the interior. Got a little tear in the seat. The rest of the interior is perfect except for that little spot right there. Lariat seats. Steering wheel's not bad. It's got a really nice Kenwood system. And let's see if I can get the miles. 287, 472. Everything works right now. Averaging about 17 in the city, which is pretty darn good from what I'm used to. Go ahead and pop the hood for you. I just picked this truck up a couple days ago, so I haven't really had time to clean it up and stuff like that. But anyways, here she is. Go ahead and get the 6637 filter. A little piece of 4-inch exhaust pipe going in there. Good batteries. Coolant level's good. Perfect. Like I said, truck runs great. More videos to come. Please keep watching.